Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a 2006 Chevy Cobalt. The passenger side reverse light, the white light, is not lighting up. Both sides, the drivers and the passenger, when you put the car in reverse, both white lights illuminate so drivers could see that you're backing up in reverse. You could get a ticket if one of these is out or both. So I'm going to replace this bulb. The first thing you want to do is open the trunk. Now with the trunk open, this is where the backup or the reverse light bulb is, inside here. It's a relatively quick and easy, replacement. There is a black harness here with a tab. You just push in and gently pull out, and then you just turn this counterclockwise, and that releases the bulb. We're going to be replacing it with this one. I got 921. I got that from Amazon. I believe it was $11.75 plus tax. So 12, 13 bucks at the most, which is, a cheap replacement. So let's go ahead and swap this bulb out. To take the old bulb out, very simple. Just get a good grasp on it and just pull, and it comes right out. And then just for the new bulb, it's the opposite. Just take a look inside the harness here and just line up the way the bulb is supposed to go, and then push it until you hear it click. When you go to put this back in, don't get frustrated if you go to put it in and it won't fit. Just reverse it and it'll slide right in. Give it a turn counterclockwise. Plug your harness in and you're good to go. If this video helps you out, kindly give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. I have videos on car repairs, lawnmower maintenance and repairs, household stuff, pool stuff. So take a look if you'd like. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.